How do you attract new customers and team members for your network marketing business without having to chase your family and friends, annoy and bug your family and friends, and send endless amounts of copy and paste messages on social media? That's the question a lot of my clients and followers ask me, and the easiest thing to do is to learn how to start attracting people to you instead, so you can stop chasing people. And a lot of my clients don't realize this, but I was able to generate over 30,000 leads online and become the number 7 all-time income earner in my opportunity at the time, applying the attraction methods that I teach. And it's still the number 1 method that myself and my clients are using to generate new leads and new sales and new team members into our businesses. And the brilliant thing is that this can be taught to anyone, and it's still something that most people aren't doing to grow their business online. And I'll be breaking down how to do this in 3 simple steps, where I'll show you how to grow your network marketing business online, attract much higher quality leads, and grow your team in 3 simple steps. And you can get access to this training for free by simply clicking the link below this video. And just so you know, this training is only for people who are serious about growing their network marketing business online. So if that's you, I'll see you there.